The long hot summer seems to know every time you're near, and the touch of a breeze gently stirs all the trees, and a bird wants to please my ear. The long hot summer seems to know what a flirt you are, seems to know your caress isn't mine to possess. How could someone possess a star? But you